What's up, my indie fam? Y'all, we back again with another video. Today we're doing our first review. Y'all, so I ran into the dollar store the other day to get some laundry detergent, and I ran across some chips, and I just had to grab them. He liked dill pickle chips. He loved dill pickle chips. And he liked Flamin' Hot. So I think he gonna like them. We got these. They're new. The Flamin' Hot Dill Pickle Remix. Dill pickle chips are right to me. I eat them. And I like hot stuff. So we're gonna see how that goes. And on our way from Atlanta, we saw this. Orange vanilla flavored Coca-Cola. Now, I'm not a Coke fan. I like Fanta orange. I thought it was gonna be like an orange soda with vanilla flavor. But we're gonna see how this tastes. So I'm gonna taste the soda first, just because when you eat hot stuff and taste soda, it don't taste.
I'm trying to leave the chip first, then.
You don't got to. But anyway, let's crack open this soda, y'all. Like I said, I'm not really a big fan. No, it's not.
Cause she frozen.
No, it's not. Yours must be, but mine ain't.
The orange ain't really that strong.
It's not bad. Excuse me. It's not bad. I get the vanilla. It's strong though.
It's all in.
It's not bad. It's actually better than Coca-Cola to me. But I still get a strong sense of Coke. I really do. Y'all, so this actually better than what I thought. I thought I wasn't gonna like it. He get on my nerves. Excuse me. I thought I wasn't gonna like it. Now for these. Wanna grab one?
You taste them first.
We're gonna do this together. Y'all see that?
I don't get no hot.
I ain't getting no hot either. I'm kind of getting salt and vinegar, a little dill pickle.
Right.
Barbecue-ish.
They good though.
They're not bad. They're not hot. I'm getting kind of like a salt and vinegar dill pickle. I guess because I get barbecue out of it. I get like a barbecue spice. Like it ain't hot, but it's like, you know how barbecue got a little tang to it? That's what I'm getting out of this.
I feel them though. They're good.
But they're not bad. Actually, I get the taste of a kosher dill pickle. The hot one. I get that taste. You had one of those before? The kosher dip? That's what this tastes like. A kosher dill pickle.
They good?
But they're not bad. I wouldn't buy them just to eat, but
I would.
I wouldn't. That's my first reaction to those. I wouldn't buy them. Like, if I go in the store, I wouldn't buy them to eat. But the drink, I probably wouldn't buy it either. I'm starting to get the heat from that, though. But I probably wouldn't buy this either. But it's not nasty, because I'm not really a Coke fan. If I'm going to get a dark soda, it's going to be Pepsi, and I don't get dark sodas like that. So, but it's actually not bad.
Why you not a Coke fan?
Because Coke always have an aftertaste. But this don't have that aftertaste, though. But I don't really care for Coke. But anyway, so that was our review. Y'all, I got a little sad news for y'all. I bought some macaroons. This would have been my first time trying them. And y'all see what I did to them? I bought them when I was in Atlanta. I forgot I bought them. Squished them up in my luggage. Rest in peace to the macaroons. Y'all, this was strawberry And this one was blueberry cheesecake.
No, I wasn't that bad. So what happened?
It hurt my feelings. But anyway, thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys will share, if you guys will like, thumbs this up. If you guys will comment, leave your comments down below. If you guys will subscribe to your girl and hit that notification bell so that when I do another video, you will be notified. Period. But anyway, thank you guys for watching my video. This is my review on these two things. They're not bad, but I would not buy them from the store personally. He would, I won't.
Well, not so much the orange vanilla.
But y'all go out and try them. You might have your own personal opinion to them. R.I.P. to my macaroons. But anyway, y'all, we love y'all. Mwah, mwah, mwah.